Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to create Rednote accounts. So the first thing you have to do is to click on your Rednote account. Next thing is to agree to the terms of service. Agreeing to the terms of service, the next thing you have to do is to allow your phone to have access to the Rednote account. Then click on login. Clicking on login is going to take you to this phase of your Rednote where you have to type in your mobile number. But in case looking at it, you're going to see that I'm from Nigeria, and the language here I can't find Nigerian. For that reason, I just have to click on Facebook, because typing in my phone number is not going to work. I just have to click on Facebook. So clicking on Facebook, I just have to agree to the terms of service and also choose my Gmail account. So it's going to take me to this phase of my Facebook where I have to continue with my Facebook name, and click OK. I still have to click on Facebook again if it takes me back to this stage. So when I click on Facebook again, it's going to take me to this phase where I have to still click continue again in order to accept the decision I'm making. So after doing that, it's going to take some time to process, and after processing, it's going to take me to this phase of my Rednote where I have to choose the name, my gender and age. So I just have to select my gender, my age and my gender, and click next. Clicking on next, I just have to wait for it to process again. So it's going to take me to this phase where I have to select my interest. So you just select your interest, and click on start exploring. So when you click on start exploring, it's going to take you to this phase of your Rednote where you have to agree to the terms of service and allow your phone to have access to your Rednote, and click on next, allow. So now I have been able to create Rednote accounts on my mobile device. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this.